Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll be using the toolbar to visualize user behavior and view heat maps. Heat maps allow you to learn what areas users are most interested in and see the areas they are clicking on the most. And PostHog makes it easy to view heat maps using the toolbar. So I'm going to show you how to get started with the toolbar and view those heat maps. So the first thing you're going to need to do to launch the toolbar is install PostHog on your site. This can either be through our JavaScript library or through our snippet. Once you've done that, you can head into your PostHog app, scroll down to the Launch Toolbar section under Configuration, and then we're going to add an authorized URL. So we're just going to click Add Authorized URL, enter in the URL we want. For us, it's https://posthog.com. We're going to add that in there, and since we've already done that, we can just click launch here, and that's going to launch the toolbar and bring us to our site. So now you'll see on our site we've launched the toolbar. We can move this around wherever we want, and when we're ready to launch the heat maps, we can just click on the toolbar, click heat map, wait for it to load, and then we'll get highlights around all of the items we can click on the page, and we'll see how many people have clicked on each of these items in the last 7 days. If we want to change that to a longer period, we can click on the toolbar again, click on heat maps again, click on the number next to the heat maps, and then we can just change that here. So we can go last 14 days, and we get a better idea over longer periods of time what people are clicking on. Now to see specific areas that people are clicking on, so if we wanted to see what percentage of people were clicking on self-hosted, for example, we can just click on that icon and then see we have 287 clicks here. How much is that as a percentage, and where does that rank out of all the items here? We can also see what actions include this element and create a new action if that's needed. So if we wanted to get a better idea of what all of these icons clicks are together, we can create an action that includes all of them together. So we'll have the selector for this one. We can add another element, and that will allow us to better track the clicks on all of these elements together. So we can also see heat maps for actions by going into the toolbar and clicking on actions. And then we'll see all of the elements related to actions as well as how many times they were triggered. So we'll see that an action related to the top bar, which there is quite a few, has been clicked 71 times. So that's all for this tutorial on using the toolbar to visualize user behavior and view heat maps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Join our Slack community at posthog.com/Slack, or you can check out posthog.com/tutorials for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.